The Free Knowledge Center is back with another video on how to use a trampoline for your home workouts. Please subscribe to the channel and join our family. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications of our future videos. If you own a trampoline, you already know that it is a great way to get out of the house and into the fresh air. Did you also know that it's benefiting your health? Jumping up and down on a trampoline is great for strengthening the cardiovascular system, and it is also an excellent workout for almost every muscle and organ of the body. Exercising on a trampoline can also be very helpful for adults and children because it helps to improve reflexes, flexibility, balance, and coordination. One way to enhance not only the fun aspect of the trampoline but also increase the health benefits is by putting a little extra effort into your jumping by doing some tricks. There's a lot of tricks that can be done on the trampoline, from the beginner level to the advanced. Here's a few of them, beginning with some basics including additional tips to ensure safety and avoid injury. Landing on the back is one of the first, basic trampoline tricks any bouncer should learn, and it is very simple. Stand motionless on the trampoline with your arms at your sides or even with your hands in your front pockets. Fall backward onto the trampoline, keeping your body straight and your head up. As your back meets the trampoline, let your head meet it naturally too, don't jerk or twist it. You will bounce back up and then you can do it again, over and over until you achieve a good rebounding height. The more you practice this trick, the higher you will bounce back and forth. Here's an intermediate trampoline trick you can do once you've mastered the basic back landing trick. Begin the same way, standing straight and motionless, with arms at your sides or hands in your pockets. Fall straight back again, but when you bounce back up, land on your knees instead. The motion will keep sending you back and forth so you can repeat the trick as many times as you want. Some advanced trampoline tricks include somersaults and flips. Either of these can be done backward or forwards, but you should be very comfortable and confident with your bouncing abilities before attempting either of them. Once you've got the flip down, you spice it up by adding a spin to it. Before attempting any trick, ensure everyone's safety, including your own. Remember to look around and see how much room you have. You will definitely want to avoid a collision with any other jumpers that are on the trampoline with you. To further prevent any mishaps, warm up first by doing some simple bounces, and once you get going, remember to keep your head and neck in a natural position. This way you don't hurt yourself. Have fun, be safe and keep on bouncing. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please share it with your friends and family. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you are the first one to get notified when we post a new video. Thanks a lot for your love and support. We really appreciate it. See you all in the next video.